Quipall 2-gallon 1-horsepower aluminum tank ultra-quiet oil-free compressor is the perfect workmate for your hobbies and chores. With its lightweight aluminum design and integrated easy carry handle, you can easily move it to where you need to work. You'll appreciate its ultra-quiet motor at only 62 decibels. That's only as loud as someone talking to you from a few feet away, making it one of the quietest compressors on the market today. It's an easy keeper too. The oil-free, maintenance-free pump is durable for the long run. And the 1-horsepower induction motor has a working life 3 times longer than a traditional compressor. Operation is easy too. The quick connect coupler for your tools and easy to read and operate controls, you're working in no time. The compressor has a 2.0-gallon corrosion-resistant aluminum tank and delivers an airflow of 3.2 CFM at 40 psi and 2.2 CFM at 90 psi, with a maximum working pressure of 125 psi. It's ideal for inflating tires and sporting equipment, trim work, hobby projects, and more. The Quipall 2-gallon 1-horsepower aluminum tank ultra-quiet oil-free compressor. Quality assured.